Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel.
African hair braiding style pictures 2021. So all the pictures I have displayed on this video are trendy African braiding hairstyle for all my queens out there. Ghana braid are some of this year's most popular protective styles for women with natural hair. Yeah, far gone are those days when we feel like if your hair is relaxed, that is when Ghana braids we kind of like look better, or sometimes we say okay, it makes it last longer, because if your hair is not relaxed, we kind of feel like okay, within a week your hair will start standing like, I don't know the right word to use for it. Yes, so but now these days Ghana weaving, which is also known as cornrow braids, are perfect on natural hair. African braiding styles provide us with endless options that will undoubtedly leave you indecisive on the most suitable style that you want. The fact that braids are simple, versatile, and cost-friendly makes them a good option when considering easy-to-go hairstyling options. Besides, these styles are very protective, considering that they do not require constant combing, exposure to both chemicals and the dust, which is as well known as the weather, and sometimes it can also help in growing your hair. Yeah, because there was a time I was conrolling my hair while wearing my wigs. I noticed my hair kind of adds some length faster compared to when I don't conroll it. So if I should go like 1 month without conrolling my hair, it doesn't grow so fast compared to when I conroll my hair at a stretch in a month. So I noticed a few lengths adding to my hair length when I conroll my hair. So braiding your hair, protective style, makes your hair grow. Yeah, it actually makes it grow. Additionally, your hair will remain untangled even when beating or raining day or having a good time at the swimming pool. Yeah, so more like you not manipulating your hair all the time. Too much manipulation can make you have headache, can make your hair pull, can make your hair break. It is not easy manipulating your hair every day. If you can wear a protective style once for 2 weeks, perfect. If you can wear it for 2 weeks, 1 week, perfect. So just limit the rate you manipulate your hair. So that is what basically this braiding hairstyle is going to give, is going to help you out with. So I use this opportunity to say video credit to all the stylists out there, to the models. Yeah, that features on this video. You are beautiful, you are great. Yes guys, so guys, I'll leave you to just watch this video, look out for style you love, then give it a screenshot, show it to your stylist. Yes guys, I will see you right after this video. welcome back, guys. I hope you find something you love about this video. If you love this video, how about you give it a thumbs up? Yes, like, subscribe, and share my video. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.